What's up?
All right, welcome to the best water channel on the planet. Today we're going to introduce you to my favorite investment, which would be the water ionizer. Okay, so those are those machines that you can take, and it not only purifies your water, it actually uses electrolysis to create two different kinds of water. All right, you have a high alkaline pH and you have a low acidic pH. All right, so we're going to actually talk about both groups on exactly how to use it, when to use it, and why to use it. All right, so let's start with the acidic side. So a lot of people think, oh, acidic, it's bad for you, right? No, this has been actually filtered nicely, and then its acidic part is actually really good for doing a lot of things around your house, and then actually for your skin, okay? So let's talk about two pHs, what we really want to focus on, all right? We're going to start with the lowest one first, with about 2.5 to a 3. All right, so this is your magic cleaning water, all right? This disinfects just about everything. So you can clean your dishes, you can clean your counters, you can clean your floors, you can clean your walls and your toilets. All right, so you can basically clean anything with acidic water. You just keep it in a little bottle, spray it down for some white downs. Bugs don't like it. It's a wonderful, wonderful tool if you have an ionizer. All right. So now what we want to talk about is the 4.5 to 5.5. All right, so this is, a lot of companies call it your beauty water, but basically it's an acidic water. Your skin actually has a pH of 5.5 around that, all right, and your saliva is a little bit acidic as well. So you can use it, one, to wash your hands and wash your face. It actually gets rid of a lot of skin conditions. You can go a little bit stronger, like a 4, to actually kind of tackle acne and bug bites, which is pretty awesome. All right, so I'm out here in Texas. There's a lot of mosquitoes in the summer, so being able to use just a water to lower the itching and not have that problem when I got 7 bug bites on one leg is kind of nice. All right, so what we want to actually look at with the for the 4.5 to the 5.5 is actually water for your agriculture, water for plants. Plants actually soak this up. All right, and again, like we talked about, bugs don't like them, so it actually works as a natural pesticide. All right, so that is in a nutshell what you want to be doing with your acidic water. Now, you do not want to drink or give this to your pets, right? This is just for household use. All right, so with those two acidic presets, those are the ones you can focus on about cleaning your skin and getting all nice. So when I was actually stuck on lockdown in California, I was able to use the acidic water when there was no soap anywhere or really any kind of cleaning supplies. So I used the acidic water, used the purple light and everything. This stuff works like you wouldn't believe. So all right, so hopefully that will help you out with the acidic side of the water. Don't waste it, use it, it's phenomenal.